Good morning, Miss Millie Joseph. Based on the facts you provided, I will advise you on your rights and the legal procedures available to claim maintenance from your former husband under Malaysian law. The main issue is whether you are entitled to maintenance after your divorce. Under Section 77 of the Law Reform, Marriage and Divorce Act 1976, the court has the power to order a husband or a former husband to pay maintenance to his wife or former wife. In your case, you were married for 5 years and resigned from your job as a teacher shortly after marriage. You currently have no source of income, while your former husband earns approximately 8,000 ringgit per month as an engineer. Therefore, you have a strong basis to apply for maintenance because you are financially dependent and your former husband has the financial ability to support you. When deciding whether to grant maintenance, the court will consider factors under Section 78 of the Law Reform, Marriage and Divorce Act 1976. This includes your financial needs, your former husband's income and resources, your standard of living during the marriage, and the circumstances of the case. Since you are unemployed and have no earnings, these factors are likely to favor your claim. You also mentioned that your former husband committed adultery before the divorce. While maintenance is not awarded to punish a spouse, the court may consider the conduct of the parties when determining what is fair and reasonable. Therefore, his adultery may be relevant when the court assess the overall circumstances of your case. This principle can be seen in Rajamah and Sinaturai, where the court held that maintenance should be based on the wife's needs and the husband's ability to pay. Similarly, in Kuldeep Kaur and Sidensi, the court considered the financial circumstances of both parties when determining maintenance. As for the legal procedure, you should first gather important documents such as your marriage certificate, divorce decree, evidence of your previous employment, and any information relating to your former husband's income. You will then need to file an application for maintenance in the family court. During the hearing, both you and your former husband will have the opportunity to present evidence regarding your financial situations. The court will then decide whether maintenance should be awarded and determine the amount that is reasonable based on the circumstances. If the court grants a maintenance order and your former husband fails to make the payments, you may apply to the court to enforce the order. To conclude, you are not without legal protection after your divorce. Malaysian law provides a mechanism for a former wife in your position to seek financial support from her former husband. Considering your lack of income and your former husband's stable earnings, you have a strong case for maintenance. My advice is to take the necessary legal steps to protect your financial well-being by filing a maintenance application in court. Thank you for your time, and I hope this advice has helped you understand your rights and available remedies.